That's the name of the freedom struggle of 1857. Uh, we have introduced as the first of in 1857 a great struggle took place in India, which completely shook the British government. This struggle did not arise all of sudden. Earlier as well, many such struggles took place in India against the British. Yes, in 1857, that a great struggle happened in our India, that the reason of British government has strictly to restrictions of our India. So that's why earlier as many of the struggle took place in our India, that the great and large of the levels the Indian peoples are also participate in this struggle, that the 1857. The scope of struggle of 1857 and its background was taken into consideration. V.D. Savarkar. Now, this introduction of V.D. Savarkar, he was written of the great of the struggle in 1857, that the Indian War of Independence 1857. This book was written by V.D. Savarkar, and who was the V.D. Savarkar? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. He was written as the great book of the Indian War of Independence in 1857. Later, many of the revolutionaries got inspiration from it fight against to this British government. Now, the first point of the struggle before of 1857. In that, at every of the places, whereas the British rule was established in India, different parts of our state, the local people had to bear the ill fates of British government. Yes, now British East India British rule, which British government was established at the different parts of our country, and they have started to local people to bear of the ill fates by of the British government. The Indians started feeling that they are exploited in every state due to the company's rule. Yes, now the British company was also exploited of the different rules by of our Indian people, and this resulted in increasing the discontent among our common people against their rule of the British government. That the first of farmer and common people, that the first of against the start of the discontent has started the first farmer and the common people bankrupt during the company rule. In 1770, there was a great famine in Bengal of province. The British, but of the British rulers were indifferent and insensitive towards Indian people. Yes. In our India, the West Bengal means the British means the Bengal of the province has started the common people and also farmers, the discontent and the struggle has started against of the British rule 1770, and that Indian all these peoples are sensitive towards the towards that of the British government. 1763, 1763 to 1857. These periods, is the long of the period, has started the all the struggles against of the British rule to start off our Indian people. Now this in Bengal, in West Bengal, the peasants of Bengal participated in the rebellion led by of the sannyasi fakir. Now the first of the peasants, the first discontent has started, the struggle has started in against of British government, who was sannyasi fakir. And similarly, this revolt took place of Gujarat. This revolt has started from the different states of our India, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and South India. All these revolt has taken place as the sannyasi fakir against of the British India. And that he was leading. This struggle was leading as the name of Umaji Naik. Umaji Naik, he was a strong fighter, he was a strong man, and he organized as the Ramoshi. Umaji Naik was established, and he was also this Ramoshis and this local youth of work, youth of to revolt against of the British rule. They drew up declaration and appealed to fight against the British government, who was declared as the Umaji Naik was against to declare the fight and revolt against the British government. And this British government, he was appealed to common people and appealed to of the all farmers, peasants. He was appealed to that this British government has overthrowing and fight against this government, and they inspire all the state of these people by inspired in people as like in our Maharashtra, that Pune, Satara, Solapur, Nashik, Bhor and Ahmednagar, etc. Means all these districts are also inspired by the work of, by the revolt of Umaji Naik, and they start against the British government. And Umaji Naik at last in 1832, Umaji Naik was arrested, and British government has given the severe punishment to hang to death in Pune, because Umaji Naik was a strong person. Even and other districts, all these people was also inspired to the work of Umaji Naik, and they are supported to this period. And at last Umaji Naik was arrested in 1832, and British government has given this severe punishment, hanged to death in Pune. The Indian tribes and forest communities also challenged the British government. Yes, the next challenge, the Indian tribes, who those are live in a forest area, tribal area. Their life was dependent on the forest resources, because all these tribal people who live and depend on their forest resources. But British government, British laws was put of the restrictions, very strict of the laws on it, and consequently Bihar, Kolam of this area, Chota Nagpur, then Gonds of Orissa, Santhal of Bihar against fight of the means for this against of the British government, who was Bihar in Kolam area, in Chota Nagpur, then Gonds of Orissa, Santhal of Bihar. Those people, those tribal communities to against of the British government. Then Gadkaris from the Kolhapur, Sawant from Konkan. Both of these tribal peoples are also against the British government. But before of 1857, some zamindars and royal classes from different territories rebelled against the British, as well as zamindar and royal class was also supported to this class, means the tribal people was also supported, and they started before of the 1857 the struggle as against of the British government. Now, as given here the Paika of the rebellion, do you know? You have to read of this information and to find out there some extra question. Then from the medieval there was a system of Paikas, and this was started as rebellion Odisha. The standing army of various independent kings were known as the Paika. Paika means we know that rent-free lands was granted of them to cultivation by the king. Means जसं म्हटलेलं आहे की राजाने दिलेल्या जमिनी ह्या कमी म्हणजे गावातील प्रजेला दिलेल्या जमिनी होत्या, या जमिनीवर ते लोक आपली पिकं घेऊ शकतात. But British government was overruling, and they started of the some of this strict law. So the Paikas earned their livelihood there, and return they were supposed to stand by the king. And these Paikas has to stand by of support to their king's side in case of the eruption of the war. In 1803, the English conquered Odisha, and they took over the hereditary rent-free lands captured and granted to the Paikas. This made of Paikas angry, and they started of the rebellion against the British government 1870. And Bakshi Jaganbandhu Vidyar, he was leading this revolt as a Paikas rebellion. In Army of East India Company, there were many sepoys. Yes, and these sepoys were also treated by the company. Their salary and allowances allowances were very less compared to the British soldier. Yes. Now our Indian sepoy was also to as discontent against of the British government because they were also ill-treated to the by of the British company, and as comparison of the British soldier and British soldier as their salary and allowances very less. So this British soldier was started at the first rebel. Revolt has started in 1806 at Vellore and in 1824 at Barakpur. Barakpur, the revolt took place as fierce storm. As last of the few lines are to see that all these rebellions to take place in these respective territories. So they were local in nature and single-handed. The British forcibly broke down the revolts because British power, British rule was very strong. So they are also started all these rebel, all these revolt as they are broken by of the respective territories. Public unhappy and was suppressed but did not vanish. Yes, there are the common people was unhappy and they was not vanished. So they started this anger burst out in the freedom struggle 1857. At various places the rebellion took place again. The British, discontent in the minds of diverse classes, blowed into the form of the struggle and outbreak was in the form of armed rebellion. All these reasons, all these struggles has started before of the 1857 as the reason of all these common people was unhappy and they started. This anger was burst out of the against of the British government and they started the reason as the 1857. Next period